Some members of the phylum Cnidaria include jellyfish, flower-like sea anemone, coral, and sea combs. Some other characteristics of Cnidaria are soft bodies or squishy and are composed of about 90% water. Cnidarian body plans consist of mostly a hollow sac with an opening at one end called the mouth. Cnidarians use the mouth to not only bring food in, but to let go of waste. Around the mouth are arm-like structures, which are often referred to as tentacles. The Cnidarian body plan consists of two layers, the endoderm and the exoderm. Between these two layers is a layer of jelly. Jellyfish. They are covered with stinging cells that paralyze any animal that touches. That's how jellyfish and other Cnidarians capture their food. Sea anemones also have stinging cells on their tentacles. However, clownfish have found a way around the danger and are not stung by anemones. Clownfish and sea anemones live in a symbiotic relationship. When we think of jellyfish, this is what we generally think of. But what we are looking at is the jellyfish's medusa, or a free-floating sexual stage. But there is another side to the Cnidarian life cycle. This is a diagram of a jellyfish life cycle. First, the sperm and egg join to form a larva. The larva then settles to the bottom to form an asexual, stationary polyp. The polyp then forms this saucer-shaped discs that are then released into the water. These discs then mature into the sexual form of a jellyfish. This is a piece of brain coral. It broke off the reef a long time ago, and it is rock hard. It contains the same calcium compounds that are in bones. Feeding. Food enters and waste leaves the body through an opening called the gastrovascular cavity. This is where digestion begins. The digestion that occurs in the gastrovascular cavity is extracellular, which means that it takes place outside of the cells.
Digestion is then completed intracellularly within the gastroderm.
Any materials that can't be digested are passed out of the body through the mouth. Respiration, circulation, excretion. After digestion, nutrients are usually transported throughout the body by diffusion. Cnidarians respire and eliminate the waste of cellular metabolism by diffusion throughout their body walls.
Response. Cnidarians gather information from their environment by using specialized sensory cells. A nerve net is a loosely organized network of nerve cells that work together to allow Cnidarians to detect stimuli, like the touch of a foreign object.
Movement. Cnidarians move in different ways.
Sea anemones have a hydrostatic skeleton.
The hydrostatic skeleton consists of a layer of circular muscles and a layer of longitudinal muscles. They work together with water in the gastrovascular cavity to make the Cnidarian move, but jellyfish move by jet propulsion. Muscle contractions cause the bell-shaped body to close like a folding umbrella, so the body contracts to force water out, moving the jellyfish in the opposite direction. Respiration, circulation, and excretion. NA. Sea anemone. Clownfish. Jellyfish. Taking on the jellies.